Hello everyone, welcome to M1 series. This is unit 1 and in this video I am going to explain you the linear equations. This is very important question. In each and every question paper they have asked this question. If you practice 2 to 3 questions of this type, then you will be easily solve this type of questions. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel for more subjects and topics question paper solved ones. Let us solve this. Solve the system of linear equations by matrix method. X plus y plus z is equal to 6. 2x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 2. 5x plus y plus 2z is equal to 13. Then how to take this a, x and b? I will tell you. Here we have x in front of x. If there is nothing means 1 is there. 1x plus 1y plus 1z. Then take 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then I have 2x. Then take 2 here. 3y. Take 3 here. Minus 2z. Take 2 here. Again I have 5x. 5 take here. 1y. Take 1 here. 2z. Take 2 here. Got it? Got the a part? Then x. X is xyz. Then b. B means whatever is there in the right hand side. 6, 2 and 13. These three numbers are b. Got it? How to make this a, x and b? Then next step. The given equations can be written in the matrix form as. It can be written in the matrix form as ax is equal to b. Here we got the a, x as well, then b also. Then I can write it as ax is equal to b. Then write this in this form. A, write it as it is. X, write it as it is. And b also. Then have to change this. Make it to simplest form. How to do this? Just take the R2. R2 minus 2R1. Then what will I get? R2 is I have 2. If you don't understand these steps, then go to previous videos that I have uploaded. That is rank of matrix. Go through those videos and understand those. Then you will be able to understand these steps. R2 is 2. 2. Then 2R1. 2 multiplied by 2 into R1 means I have 1. Here 2 minus 2. I will get 0. Then write the 0 here. Then again R2 is R2. 2. 3, that is 3 minus 2 into R1 is 1. That is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Write down 1 here. Then again I have one more R2, that is minus 2. Take it and minus 2 into R1 is 1. Minus 2 minus 2, that is minus 4. Write minus 4 here. Then I have here also R2, that is 2. 2 minus 2 into R1 is 6. 6. 2 into 6, 12. 2 minus 12, that is minus 10. Write down minus 10 here. If you are not understanding these steps how to do, then listen again and again. Practice these steps. Then you will be able to understand easily. Then we have to change the R3 as well. Then R3 becomes R3 minus 5R1. R3 I have 5. Take the 5 as it is. Minus 5 into R1 is 1. 5 minus 5, that is 0. Write it 0. Then R3 again I have 1. 1 into 5. 1 minus 5 into R1 is 1. 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. Write minus 4 in this place. Again R3 I have 2. Write the 2 minus 5 into I have R1 1. 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. Write the minus 3. Then here also I have R3. Take the R3, that is 13, minus 5 into R1 is 6. 13 minus 5 into 6. 5 into 6, that is 30. 13 minus 30 is equal to minus 17. Take the minus 17 in this position. Got it? I got this step. Again I have to make this as the simplest form. Again I have to solve this. Take the R3 again. R3 plus 4R2. R3 I have 0. R3 is 0. 0 plus 4 into R2 again 0. 4 into 0, that is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. In R3 position I have to write 0. Then R3 minus 4 plus 4 into R2, that is 1. Minus 4 plus 4, both will get cancelled. Again I will get 0. Write the 0 in R3 position. Again R3 is minus 3 plus 4 into R2 is minus 4. Plus 4 into minus 4, that is minus 16. Minus 3 minus 16, that is minus 19. Write the minus 19 as it is. In again I have R3 here. R3 minus 17 minus 4 into R2. R2 is 10. 4 into 10, that is 40. Minus into minus 17 minus 40, that will be minus 57. Write the minus 57 in this place. Write the XYZ as it is. Again I have to change the R1. R1 minus R2. R1 is 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0, that is 1. Take the R1, 1. Again I have to do R1 minus R2. R1 is 1. R2 is 1. If I minus 1 minus 1, that will be 0. Again R1 is 1. Minus R2 is minus 4. Minus of minus 4. Here it will be 1 plus 5. 1 plus 4. That will be 5. Write the R1 as 5. I have one more R1 here, that is 6. 6 minus R2 is minus 10. Minus of minus 10. That will be 6 plus 10, that is 16. Write the 16 in R1 place. Here write down the R2 as it is. That is 0, 1, minus 4. And here I have minus 10. Again to change the R3, I have to do the R3 divided by minus 19. Then I will get 0 this part. 1 in this place. To get 1 in this place, I have to do R3 by minus 19. See, R3 should become R3 by minus 19. Then this place will be 1. Just do that. And here also if I do, R3 is minus 57 divided by minus 19. Minus minus will get cancelled. 19 3 is 57. This will get 3. This will become 3. Just update this matrix. 105 0 1 minus 4 0 0 1. This place I got 1. Here x y z as it is, and here 6 minus 10 and 3. Again I have to simplify this by applying R1 to R1 minus 5R3. Here R1 is 1, minus 5 into R3 is 0. 1 minus 5 into 0, that is 0, that I will get 1. Just write down in the R1 place 1. Then again R1 I have 0, minus 5 into R3 is 0. I will get 0. Again I have R1 as 1. 5 minus 5 into R3 is 1. It will be 5 minus 5, that is 0. Again for here R1, it's 16. 16 minus 5 into, that is R3, 3. 5 into 3, that is 15. 16 minus 15 will get 1. Write here 1. Write down the XYZ as it is. Again I have to change the R2. R2 plus 4 into R3. R2 I have 0. 4 into R3 I have again 0. 4 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. This will be 0, R2. Again R2 I have 1 plus 4 into R3 I have 0. 4 into 0, that is 0, plus 1, that this place will be 1. Again R2 I have minus 4 plus 4 into R3 I have 1. Minus 4 plus 4, that will be 0. Again here I have R2, that is minus 10, write it, plus 4 into I have R3, that is 3. 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 minus 10, I will get 2. Write down in the R2's place. Write the R3 as it is. 0, 0, 1. Here 3. Here I got the values of x, y and z. Hence the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. Got it? This is the linear equation problem. This is how we have to solve step by step, and finally we will get the x, y and z values. If you understood how to do, then practice these two problems, this one, and I gave one more like this. In exams they will give like this only. Then you have to make in this form and solve that problem. Write this in this form, then solve the problem. It will be easy. Write down in Ax is equal to B in this form and solve the problem. Then you can easily solve the problem. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Solve these two problems and comment the solution for these two problems. If you want me to explain any particular subject or any particular topic, then comment down. If you are a BTech student, then you have to subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading all the question papers solved for all subjects. See you in the next video.